Most dash cams look great in daytime, but the real test happens when an accident occurs at night. A blurry license plate or missing detail can cost you thousands of dollars. That's why we compared 5 of the best 4K dash cams to find the models that capture the clearest footage, offer the smartest features, and provide the best protection for your vehicle. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Now, let's get started. Number 5. IIWEY C3 Pro 4K Dashcam. Starting at number 5 is the IIWEY C3 Pro, our top pick for budget buyers. You get complete coverage around your vehicle with 3 camera angles, 4K in the front, 2K inside the cabin, and 1080p in the rear. Triple Sony Starvis 2 sensors capture much more light. As a result, license plates stay much clearer, even on dark roads at night. You can also spot passenger details in total darkness thanks to infrared night vision on the interior lens. Finding accident footage is fast because Plate Tag AI automatically highlights license plates during video playback. Plus, IIWEY includes a free 128GB memory card in the box. On the downside, setting up the 24-hour parking guard requires buying a separate hardwire kit. The app interface also feels a bit unpolished. This is the ideal option for rideshare drivers or budget shoppers wanting total coverage without spending extra money. Moving up, if you want cleaner video exposure and faster file transfers without needing 3 high-resolution lenses, our next choice offers better everyday value. Number 4. REDTIGER F17 4K Dashcam. Taking number 4 as our best value pick is the REDTIGER F17. Downloading accident footage to your phone takes only seconds thanks to fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi. This saves valuable time when you need video evidence quickly. The 4K front camera uses an advanced Starvis 2 sensor with HDR processing. This balances bright sunlight and blinding headlights, keeping your footage clear in challenging lighting conditions. The camera also uses a durable supercapacitor instead of a traditional battery, allowing it to handle extreme summer heat and freezing winter temperatures with greater reliability. However, the included 64GB memory card fills up quickly when recording all 3 channels continuously, so upgrading to a larger card is a smart idea. This camera is perfect for daily commuters who want crisp 4K quality, dependable durability, and fast phone connectivity at an affordable price. While the REDTIGER F17 delivers excellent value, our number 3 pick adds intelligent AI features and advanced remote vehicle monitoring. Number 3. 70My 818S 4K Dashcam. Ranking at number 3 for best features, the 70My 818S excels at smart vehicle security. You get bright, colorful night footage, even on dark roads, thanks to the Sony Starvis 2 sensor and bright f1.7 aperture. Smart AI motion detection automatically recognizes suspicious activity around your parked vehicle and securely saves the footage. With the optional 4G LTE kit installed, you can even track your vehicle in real time and check live camera views remotely from your phone. Built-in ADAS driver alerts also help warn you about lane departures and potential driving hazards. On the downside, those safety alerts can occasionally become too sensitive in heavy city traffic. This setup is ideal for tech-savvy drivers who want advanced security features and complete peace of mind. If you prefer simple controls and effortless operation over navigating complicated app menus, our number 2 pick delivers an even more user-friendly experience. Number 2. REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K Dashcam. Claiming the number 2 spot as our premium choice is the REDTIGER F7N Touch. The bright touchscreen makes changing settings, locking important clips, and navigating menus incredibly easy. You can also keep both hands on the wheel by using voice commands to capture photos or lock emergency recordings. The 4K front camera provides a wide 170-degree field of view, covering multiple lanes with ease. Built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi lets you transfer video clips to your phone in just seconds. REDTIGER even includes a generous 128GB memory card right in the box. The only real compromise is that the 1080p rear camera is not quite as detailed as the premium rear sensors found on higher-end models. This is an excellent choice for drivers who want convenience, simple controls, and premium everyday usability. Touch controls are convenient, but our number one pick goes even further with smoother video recording, outstanding image quality, and unmatched storage capacity.
Number 1. VIOFO A329S 4K Dashcam. Taking our number one spot for best overall performance is the VIOFO A329S. Imagine needing evidence from a road trip 2 weeks ago and finding it instantly. Thanks to support for up to 4 terabytes of external SSD storage, the A329S can keep weeks of driving footage without constantly overwriting older recordings. The front camera records in ultra-smooth 4K at 60 frames per second. The higher frame rate dramatically reduces motion blur, making fast-moving license plates much easier to read during highway driving. Both the front and 2K rear cameras use Sony Starvis 2 sensors with HDR, delivering exceptional low-light performance and impressive dynamic range. Next-generation Wi-Fi 6 also lets you transfer large video files in just seconds. The biggest downside is the premium price, and you'll need to purchase a memory card or SSD separately. If video quality matters more than anything else, the VIOFO A329S is the clear camera to beat. If the best video quality is your priority, the VIOFO A329S is our top pick. But if you want the best value for your money, the REDTIGER F17 is hard to beat. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to Top Deals today, and turn on notifications. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.